Hey guys, my name is Thomas and in this video I am going to show you how to export posts from an existing WordPress website to a new WordPress website. I will be using the local app for WordPress instance. The link to the video will be provided in the description below. Now head on to your browser. I already have the two dashboards already set up. Now go to the source dashboard and under Tools, go to the Export option. Here, WordPress provides a list of items to export. Select the Post option. Here, the user can filter the post to download. Before exporting, I want to show you the posts already present in this website. You can now see that there are 3 posts. Now go back and click on Download Export File. You can now see the backup downloading in XML file format. Now go to the target dashboard and under Tools, click on Import option and click on Run Importer. Now click on Choose File button and select the XML file you downloaded earlier. Click on the Upload file and import. Check the Import Attachments option and assign the post order to an existing user in this dashboard, that is, the admin. Now the post has been successfully imported. Head on to the post section. You can now see the post imported from the source dashboard. Click on the View option. You can now see that the post content for that post and the post order has been changed to admin. Now go to the source dashboard and view the same post. You can now verify that the post content is same. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video.